Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you looking for the best Hume Health discount code? Well, you're in the right place because today I'm going to share the biggest Hume Health discount coupon code that will help you save money on your purchase, whether it's the Hume Health Body Pod or any other product. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. To get the latest Hume Health discount coupon, all you need to do is scroll down to the description box of this video. I've added a special link there just for you. Click on that link, and you'll be redirected to the Hume Health website. Wait a few seconds, and a pop-up will appear. Here, click on the Redeem button to get your latest coupon code for Hume Health. Just copy the code and use it at checkout to get your discount. Each user will receive a unique discount code when they click on the link in the description box or the pinned comment of this video. Remember, the coupon doesn't last forever, so hurry up and check out using your unique code. I'm not showing the actual coupon code because it changes for every user. Just click on the link in the description box to get your latest discount code. If you still don't see your coupon code, look at the bottom right corner after clicking the description box link. You'll find a button for a flat $20 discount on your Hume Health purchase. Now you're all set. Just choose the product you want to buy and enjoy your savings. Don't wait. Head to the description box and claim your Hume Health discount code now. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing deals.